Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to be doing any cooking. I'm actually going to be just spicing up a plain vegetable pizza that I bought from the shops. I've done it with ingredients that you normally find at home in your fridge or your cupboard. So by adding these extras to the pizza, it has really made the pizza very flavoursome and added a really nice kick to the flavour as well. Please give it a try because I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. Some people are probably actually doing this anyway. So the things that you're going to need is some coriander, some green chilies, oregano and basil. I have also added some chili flakes and garlic salt as well. The pizza that you can see here is as it has been bought from the shop, so with the standard veggies on there, the peppers, sweet corn and onions. What you can see is I now add a handful of grated cheese. I also add half a handful, let's say, of coriander and some chilies as well. Now there is no measurement to any of this, you just kind of experiment, but you adjust it to your taste and how you like it. Just one thing to note though is when you are putting the basil and the coriander in, try to put only a little bit of the coriander before, but the basil mostly near the end, when you're coming near the end of cooking the pizza, because you don't want the coriander and the basil to burn. You can see here I also added a pinch of oregano around on the pizza. Now it's up to you whether you want to add it before you put it in the oven or after you put it in the oven. I did add a little bit before and a little bit afterwards. Once the pizza's been cooked in the oven, I now take it out 5 to 10 minutes before and I add some basil leaves. So I rip the basil leaves in half and I spread it across the pizza. So now the pizza is fully cooked and I just garnish with a little bit of fresh coriander and we're done. Please don't forget to subscribe.